you owe me, you go beat me. You not really know me, oh. Make we come out, okay, make them forget my wickedness, my witchcraft and all these things, okay, no my spiritual power. Physically, you not really know the kind of person when I be, oh. Go ask about me, go ask questions. Normal fight, wrestling, I be warrior, ask my community, they know me. I dey wrestle. Then even if they come out that side, say, normally I dey pick weight, I dey pick weight. If you provoke me, say maybe normally you look on this stage, say normally you can't see me for road, you feel really stop me.
I wonder.
I go run enter you.
Anytime I see this guy video, but I go just dey laugh. Anytime I see this guy video, laugh go just dey catch me. Oh my god. Oh.